Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss a very relevant and useful topic, namely managing emotions for happiness. Emotions are an inevitable part of our lives, and the ability to manage them can have a huge impact on our daily levels of happiness. Here are some practical guidelines to help you manage your emotions to achieve happiness. 1. Understand your emotions. Understanding emotions is the first step in managing them. Recognize what emotions you are feeling and why. By being aware of these emotions, you can more easily determine the best way to handle them. 2. Accept your emotions. Acknowledging and accepting emotions is key to managing them. Sometimes, feeling angry, sad, or anxious is a normal reaction to certain situations. Accept the emotion without judging it as something bad. 3. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness practices help you stay focused on the present moment. By practicing mindfulness, you can reduce stress and worry, which often trigger negative emotions. 4. Seek social support. Talking to those closest to you can provide new perspectives and emotional support. Sometimes, expressing your feelings to others can help lighten the emotional burden. 5. Apply relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can help calm the nervous system and lower stress levels. Regularly involving yourself in these activities can improve emotional well-being. 6. Set expectations realistically. Sometimes, disappointment comes from unrealistic expectations. Try to manage expectations wisely and focus on the things you can control. 7. Do activities that make you happy. Find activities that bring happiness and do them regularly. This could be a hobby, exercise, or quality time with the people you care about. 8. Make physical health important. Emotional health is often closely related to physical health. Make sure you get enough rest, eat a balanced diet, and exercise regularly. 9. Learn from experience. Every experience, whether positive or negative, is an opportunity to learn. Treat every situation as a lesson that helps you grow and develop. By implementing these steps, you can develop better emotion management skills and create a foundation of happiness in your daily life. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your views and experiences in managing emotions. If you enjoy this content, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next interesting content. See you in the next video. Stay happy and manage your emotions wisely.